Good morning, children. Today we are going to learn the lesson, the soil story. Which lesson, ma? Soil story. The soil story, the topmost layer of the earth crust is known as the soil. All are know the soil, ma? Soil is, all are know the soil. மண் இருக்குல்ல, அதான் வந்து என்னது soil. How is it? Formation of the soil. Formation of the soil. Soil. The topmost layer of the earth crust is known as the soil. எதுலேருந்து வருது? only the topmost layer of the soil. ஓகேயா? layer of the soil வந்து topmost layer, மேலே இருக்கிற லேயர் தான் வந்து என்னது? அந்த லேயரை என்ன சொல்லுவோமா? humus top soil னு சொல்லுவோம். the topmost layer of the earth crust is known as the soil. The soil is made up of, soil என்னெல்லாம் இருக்கு? soil is mixed with mineral, sand, pebbles, water, air, எல்லாமே எதுல இருக்கு? only mixed in the soil. soil mixed ஆகிருக்கு. the soil and the pebbles remains the dead and decaying organic matter. அப்படினு சொன்னா என்னமா? இறந்து போன அனிமல்ஸ் எல்லாம் என்ன எதுல தான் புதைப்போம்? நம்ம buried பண்ணுவோம். எதுக்கு அடியில எதுல புதைப்போம்? buried in the இதுமா soil. எந்த plants ஆனாலும் plants வந்து இந்த plant உடைய branches ஒடிஞ்சு விழும், plants ஓட இலைகள் கீழ fall ஆகும், எல்லாமே நம்ம என்ன பண்ணுவோம்? fully buried in the soil. soilக்கு அடியில போட்டு புதைச்சு வச்சிரும். அது வந்து என்னது? லாஸ்ட்ல என்னதான் மாறிடுது? plants and animals body or buried எதா மாறிடுதுமா? soil லாஸ்ட்ல மாறி அது மேனூரா மாறிடும். ஆனா இதோட மிக்ஸ்ட் ஆயிருது இந்த topmost layer of the soil. ஓகேயா? millions of years ago the earth was covered with huge pieces and hard rocks. millions of many years ago, முன்னாடிய காலத்துல வருஷம் மில்லியனுக்கு முன்னாடி எப்படி இருந்துச்சு? சாயில் கிடையாது, எப்படி தான் இருந்துச்சு? fully have a rock, பெரிய பெரிய huge rocks and mountain, huge rocks and pieces of hard rocks பெரிய பெரிய ராக்ஸா இருந்து, பாறைகளா இருந்து. for many years the sun heated these rocks, cooled down. என்ன பண்ணுது? அந்த ராக்ஸ் மேல எந்த ரேஸ் விழுது? இந்த சன்னோட ரேஸ் பட்டு என்ன ஆகுதுமா? the sun rays heated the rocks are cooled down. strong winds wore out of these rocks. என்னது? இது டேமேஜ் பண்ணிருது. இந்த strong winds are wore out of the rocks due to the constant heating and cooling of the sun. due to the action of wind the rocks are developed crack விழுந்துருது. இதுல விரிசல் ஏற்படுது. இதுல பாறையில இதனால காத்துனாலும் sunlight and wind and coolingனால the rocks are developed cracks. wind are carried out small pieces of rock in the different places. என்ன பண்ணுது? wind வந்து என்ன பண்ணுது? fully take the rocks, small pieces எல்லாம் carried out to in another places, இன்னொரு place கொண்டு போய் in the different places. during the process of small pieces, during the process of small pieces of rock rubbed against each piece. small pieces of rock என்னது? rubbed ஆகுது. என்னது? ஒண்ணுக்கொண்ணு உரையுது. rubbed against each other. and further against and further என்னது? broken into the small pieces. rocks எல்லாம் என்னதாகுது? and broken into the small pieces. tiny pieces later என்ன ஆகுது? சின்ன small pieces என்ன ஆகுது? later the tiny pieces mixed with the remain dead animals. remain the pieces எல்லாம் எதோட mix ஆகுதுமா? small pieces, tiny pieces and further broken down. the rock எல்லாம் வந்து என்ன? rubbed ஆகி ஒண்ணுக்கொண்டு உரசி என்னது? small pieces மாறிடுது. அந்த tiny pieces எல்லாம் later mixed with the remain dead animal, mixed with the remain dead animals. remain dead animals. Are you understand ma? During the process என்ன ஆகுது topmost layerல earth crust இருந்தவனா நம்ம soil சொல்லுவோம். Soil is made up of minerals இருக்கு, sand, pebbles எல்லாமே இருக்கு. அது கூட எது mingle ஆயிருக்கு dead animals, dead plants and animals. அப்புறம் billions of years ago முன்னாடி என்ன rocks are very huge rocks and hard. Many years of sun heated in the rays, rocks are cooled down, strong winds wore out of the rock due to the constant heating, the cooling of the sun, and due to the action of wind, the rocks are developed into the crack, and the crack of the rocks and it is carried out to the different places, small pieces. During the process of small pieces of the rock are rubbed against each other and further broken down to small pieces. The tiny pieces later mixed with the remain what ma dead animals oda mixed ஆயிருது. The entire process of soil formation take place in the 100,000s of years. இந்த soil formation ஆக எவ்வளவு நாளாமா thousands of many years. Next you learn layers of the soil. Soil how many layers have? Layers of the soil. I will draw the diagram and explain it. Layers of the soil. How many layers have the soil? Listen it. One first layer, second. Next one what layer ma? Third. How many layers have? Topsoil. Next one is subsoil and bedrock. Okay, in the uppermost layer la வந்து sub in the layer la. Topsoil என்ன இருக்கு? Humus. Okay, this one what ma? Subsoil. Next one bedrock. This is the formation of the soil. This is found in the what ma? Humus also. Humus only. All the plants are grow in this topmost layer. Grass. Growing in the grass. Some plants, all plants are growing in this layer. Humus. Side fully found in the this layer is the topsoil. This soil is the subsoil, is underground, and soil ka inside ground underground கீழால under layer தான்ப்பா. இது வந்து soil உடைய what layer ma? This one subsoil. This layer is the subsoil. Not growing the plant, okay, at this region. Like here na plant irukum, topsoil. Humus only grow the plant. This one bedrock. Last one have a bedrock. This region, what ma? Humus. Region is humus region. This one, topsoil. This one, subsoil. This one, bedrock. Okay, children, bedrock. Okay, the This is the layer is present in the surface of the earth. Earth surface level layer. Okay, surface of the earth. Living things on our earth depend on the living things are depend on the what more layer. Layer la da enna irukudhu இந்த லேயர்ல ஹியூமஸ் லேயர் டாப்மோஸ்ட் லேயர் தான் பிளான்ட் எல்லாம் grow up. Plant ல இருந்தா என்ன கிடைக்கும் நமக்கு food. Okay, food and animals also birds are have a birds க்கு என்ன கிடைக்குது shelter தங்கறதுக்கு place எல்லாம் இதுல தான் கிடைக்குது. இதுல trees இதுல தான் நம்ம இருக்குது. அது எந்த லேயர்ல தான் இருக்கு இந்த டாப் மோஸ்ட் லேயர். நெக்ஸ்ட் லேயர் இஸ் த வாட் மாம் நெக்ஸ்ட் பிலோ த டாப் சாயில் கீழ இருக்க லேயர் இஸ் த சப் சாயில் பிலோ த டாப் சாயில். ஓகேயா அண்ட் த பாட்டம் லேயர் இஸ் த வாட் மாம் பெட் ராக். பாட்டம் லேயர் இஸ் த பெட் ராக். அப்பர் மோஸ்ட் லேயர் இஸ் த டாப் சாயில். டாப் சாயில் என்ன இந்த ஹியூமஸ் இருக்கு. அதுல தான் which one in grow the plants. ஓகேயா நெக்ஸ்ட் ஒன் என்னது அது இதுக்கு கீழால இருக்கு இதுக்கு below the இருக்கு below the top soil in subsoil and the bottommost layer is the bedrock. Okay, this only layer of the soil. Okay, soil க்கு அடியில உள்ள இது என்னெல்லாம் soil என்னெல்லாம் part இருக்குன்னு பார்த்திருக்கோம். Next you learn about from the your lesson for the components of soil. Sorry, ma components of soil. One experiment. Okay, amma soil. The soil gas found in the different components. Many components are mixed in the soil. I will let us learn about this. The components of experiment. One experiment. Okay, I learn about the one experiment for the components of soil. Which one? You take collect the sand from the school garden. எங்கேயாவது என்ன பண்ணணும்ப்பா collect பண்ணணும். என்னதுமா இந்த soil collect பண்ணி அதில் what do it? Stir the mixer. இந்த mixerல you add the water. Mixerல you add the water. What are doing? Stir the mixer and enama pannanum allow it to stand to how many minutes? 15 to 20 minutes. Okay, afterward sight. Okay ma, afterwards you will be see. Okay, this experiment first enna pannanum take the school garden in the enama take pannanum in the sand. Okay, put the beaker and என்ன add the water and stir the mixer about என்னது how many minutes? 15 to 20 minutes. Okay, children. Next listen it ma components of soil. Soil is made up of different components. Soil is made up of different components. Soil enakuppa different components mixed with the different components. Soil is made up of different components irukku. Collect some soil from the எங்க எடுப்போம் collect the soil from the எங்கப்பா எடுக்குங்க from the garden and put it in the glass jar. நம்ம போட்டாச்சு இதுக்குள்ளால போட்டுட்டோம். Collect the soil and put it in the இதுக்குள்ள போட்டாச்சு glass jar குள்ள போட்டாச்சு. It is filled in the stir this mixer and allow stand for how many minutes? 15 to 20 minutes. First I will draw the picture in the blackboard diagram. One glass jar. That's it. Take the glass jar and what ma garden line edukra soil podum. Put the soil enga podana inside the beaker. Appo enna pannum adu which one is come settle down at the bottom? Bubbles. bottom. Next what ma have in the sand. Next எது இருக்கும் in the sand. மணல். How many minutes before ma? How many before? 15 to 20 minutes after. இப்படி ஆகிரும். சரியா? லாஸ்ட்ல வச்சு ஒன்று செட்டில் ஆகும் in the pebbles. ஓகேயா? in the lowest layer. It is settled down in the lowest layer. Next one என்னதுமா? In the sand. Next what ma? Settled in the clay. Which one ma? Clay. The clay settle ஆகும். Clay. The clay. Then the sand. Pebbles. This side have the water. Water. This is the uppermost layer of the humus. Layer இருக்குது humus. This is the uppermost layer. Humus. Okay. Listen it ma first experiment. Collect the soil from the garden and put it into the glass jar. One experiment. Collect the in the garden. Soil from the garden. And put it into the glass jar. என்ன fill பண்ணனும்? Filled with water. Filled with நம்ம fill பண்ணனும் water. Stir the mixture. And allow to stand for how many minutes? 15 to 20 minutes. You will observe the different layers of the எதை observe பண்ணணும்? You observe the different layers of the soil. Soil level என்னெல்லாம் mixed ஆகிருக்கு components. என்ன components எல்லாம் mixed? Humus, water, clay, sand and pebbles. Okay, after 5 to 20 minutes. Okay, you will observe that different layer of the soil have formed in the which one? In the glass jar. Formed different layers of the layers is formed in the glass jar. Okay, yeah. The layer above the pebbles, the layer pebbles and small stones is that sand. Over the layer of the sand, you will find fine particles which make layer of clay. Next one is the topmost layer. The topmost layer is not very clear. The topmost layer is not very clear. It's not very clear. It contains decayed plants and animals, animal matter which is known as humus, which is known as humus. Known as humus. Okay, yeah. It is very light and float on the surface. It is lightweight and float on the surface. The pebble is settled down at the lowest layer. Which layer, ma? This one, lowest layer. Okay, next see the experiment. Already do an experiment and how many minutes? 15 to 12 minutes. The small pebbles are see this experiment. The small pebbles are settled at the bottom. The small pebbles are settled at the bottom. The topmost layer is not clear. Okay, yeah, it is decayed plant and animals in the humus. First layer is the humus. This layer is the humus layer. Next one what ma have? In the water. Okay, yeah. Next what come? Next layer is the sand. Look at the board, ma. Next layer is the clay. Okay, ma. Clay. The few only have this side. Konjam theriyudhu. That's the clay. Next enema, what? Sand. This side have a small pebbles. Okay, children, this only components of soils experiment. Okay, children? Are you understand? One more time I will tell. Collect the soil from the garden and put it into the glass jar filled with water. Stir the mixer and allow to stand for how many minutes? 15 to 20 minutes. This layer above the pebbles and the small stones are at the bottom of the layer. At the bottom of the layer. Okay. Over the layer of the sand you will and fine particle which make up the layer of the clay. Which this side have a sand in the clay. Okay, the topmost layer is not clear. Topmost layer is a not clear. Which not clear. It contains decayed plant and animals matter which is known as the what region? This region is human. In the place human. It is the lightweight and float on the surface. The surface layer. Okay, surface layer is the humus layer. Okay. In the second one, water. Okay, children. Okay, children. Okay, ma. This one the experiment for the components of soil. What are the things? What are the materials? The things are mixed in the soil. Idellama humus irukku, water, clay, sand and pebbles. Okay, children. Thank you, children.